My name is John Dunwoody with Minuteman Press in Huntsville, Alabama. So we were contacted by Mimaki to put this new 6042 machine EV printer in our shop on trial basis, test it out, and we've had a call over the years over and over again for low, short run type of products, and that this machine works perfectly for that. Anything 6 inches tall or smaller, we can print on. We can print on cups. As long as you don't have a handle on it, we can print on stained glass we found, not actual glass, but acrylic to make it look just like a stained glass. All kinds of neat things that we can do. We have to specialize in a niche for some of them so that we can get jigs made, like name tags, have much higher profit margin doing name tags on this machine than we did doing the sublimated name badges. So overall, it's been a great experience for us, learning the machine and being able to promote it to our clients that are always asking for short-run products like these.
Hi, I'm Darrell Gilliam, Minuteman Press, Huntsville, Alabama, and I had the luck of being chosen to run our Mimaki UJF 6042, and the experience has been amazing from the very beginning. My trainer, Miles, has done outstanding, helped me start the process, and since then I've been able to do some really creative things that have pushed my limits for creativity and learning, and to show some of the things I've been able to print acrylics. They just turn out amazing when you print them, and we have done smaller ones. We have things for our customers, of course, not just the things I play with, but we're able to do all kinds of keychains, floating, acrylic keychains that just turn out amazing. You name it, we can do just about anything. We name tags, pens that just turn out wonderful, coasters. So they speak for themselves. I've even been able to find puzzles that I can print on puzzles, wooden, and they just, it's just amazing what you can do. I think there's really no limit with our Mimaki. Anyway, the Mimaki has been a great experience, and if I were in business for myself, I would own it.